community. So I also look forward to being able to bond and to see kung gaano kainit yung pagtanggap at kung paano yung Filipino community naman natin doon sa country na yun. Sa taon lang po ng unang run, kami-kami, hindi po namin talaga alam kung ano yung expect namin because we had all of our rehearsals here and again, it was the first talaga of Sparkle to go out of the country and it was in Canada and there were a lot of firsts there. Kami ni Lulu actually, it was our first time to experience snow when we were in Calgary. It's our first time also performing sa Canada and also it was also our first time to actually see global Pinoys or a legit Filipino community in another country. And napakasarap po nilang kasama because it was a humbling experience overall. We were able to eat with them, we were able to chat with them, and how they welcomed us and kung paano nila kami inalagaan, regardless whether we had, of course, our producers by our side, our sponsors with us. Iba yung pag-aalaga ng mga global Pinoys at alam mo mga kababayan mo. Napakasarap sa puso na alam namin na nagawa namin yung mission namin na dalhin ng Pilipinas sa kanila at naparamdam nila sa amin na kahit malayo kami sa bansa natin ay magkakasama tayo mga Pinoy at isa tayo.
Sabi ko, yung experience namin sa Canada, sobrang para kaming naging, parang mas naging close kaming anim. Kasi nakakalabas kami, we get to eat breakfast every morning, na magkakasama, kasama rin yung mga bosses ng PDMA. So para kaming naging isang team. Walang aasan, walang alpha, parang lahat kami nagtutulungan para maging successful yung project and at the same time parang yun na rin yung time namin para makapag-bakasyon. So it's actually the first time din na makapanood din kami or ako personally ng NBA game when we were in Toronto, nanood kami ng laban ng Raptors at ng Indiana. So sobrang hindi ko makakalimutan yung experience na yun at sobrang nag-enjoy din talaga kami sa Canada. Actually, parang kami ni Bianca, hindi naman namin masyadong pinag-uusapan kung ano yung mga kakantahin namin kasi magkaiba yung mga kakantahin namin. But siguro may mga parts doon na parang syempre nagtutulungan kami. Paano bang kakantahin ito na mas maganda? Kasi kami ni Bianca, ganun kami, parang nagtutulungan kami sa mga bagay.
Kami kasi, we are very clear ano yung personalities namin as an individual. So, we go with who we both really are and then teamwork po namin talaga is that we train each other of some sort kapag may questions kami, kapag meron kaming gagawin namin na hindi kami sigurado sa execution or whenever we need confidence, we get it from each other.
So, ngayon na nasa Tokyo kami, we always love to parang maghanap ng mga best coffee shops or mga brunch place. So yun yung look forward namin. I mean, other than of course show. At the same time, alam namin kung gaano po kami ang mga global Pinoys sa Tokyo at talagang for sure na excited po sila na mapanood ang aming inihandang show para po sa kanila. So we're really looking forward po sa araw po na.
Our favorite things about Japan, siguro first is that Japan is actually the first country that Rue and I traveled to when we started being in the relationship. So I look forward to going back there with him, of course, and maybe revisit yung ibang mga spots na napuntahan namin. And yes, he has mentioned na ang thing namin ni Ruru, every time we go to another country is that we look for that yung mga hidden coffee shops in the area where we are, or we love walking and just randomly going to places without really an itinerary for the whole day. So, ganun kami mag-travel. But of course, again, this is also my first time performing in Japan. So, thank you so much to Sparkle and GMA for giving us this opportunity. So, I also look forward to being able to bond and to see kung gaano kainit yung pagtanggap at kung paano yung Filipino community naman natin doon sa country na yun. We were so happy that we were able to meet the Filipino community naman in Canada in the first leg. So ngayon naman, dito naman tayo sa Japan.